Exterminate! The Dalek race is supreme! All hail the Daleks! Welcome to the Supreme Daleks channel! The video will begin in 3, 2, 1. Greetings, people of Earth. My name is the Dalek Supreme, and welcome back to Granny. Now, I have been told that multiple things. Firstly, you need spark plug, car battery, and engine part to make the car go. And also gasoline. You also need a wrench to see this. Now, I don't know where this wrench is, and I also need some kind of weapon key. I need some kind of a weapon key, which is in the same area as the car key, basically to make some kind of crossbow. Now, I don't know. Oh. Hang on. Oh, sorry, damn. Yeah, shit. Wait, I didn't even manage to... Oh, wait a minute. 1 second. Hang on. Main menu. Because I need to put it on night mode. Like I would have nightmares. No way. I'm not gonna have nightmares. And apparently, why do I need it set on nightmare mode? I do not know why. Okay, right. Oh, that's why. That's why nightmare mode. That's why nightmare mode. Good thing I'm on practice mode as well as nightmare mode. Where did this come from? Oh, yeah. Now, if I remember, and sorry, now, if I remember, and I... What's that noise? If I remember, I went in here a while ago and went into this house, and it had some kind of key, and apparently I can't get to it because I'm an idiot. I'm dumb. Wait a minute. Oh, fuck. What the stop! Jesus! And tell me that was gonna happen! You didn't tell me that was gonna happen! Why is it suddenly turned into hell? Why is it suddenly turned into a .exe game? No, wait, no, this is more than a bit. Oh yeah, getting some vibes of Tamil. Getting some Tamil vibes right now. You know, Timor, the game that was poorly made and just utter crap. Yeah. I mean, whoa, hi. See, here is a bird. Hello, Mr. Birdie? Do you want to... Well, I didn't know, did I? I didn't know, did I? Well, see you later. Later, dude. I got some pliers. And boy, does it not scare me the hell. Hi? Hi, Mr. Oh, fuck! Okay. Why is it creepy all of a sudden? Okay, so I think if I'm correct, I can see why it's called a plier. Oh, and I'm dropping things. Yeah. Doesn't look as inviting as previously. But again, last time it didn't look very inviting. The house, it was all old and crooked, and now it just looks like hell. Just looks like how I just picked Scar out every morning. A barren hellscape of death and destruction. Oh wait, I felt some. Oh no, wait. Saw something. Yeah, my eyes are being played on. Oh. Ah, here's where I found the car. Yeah, I was wondering where the car was in the previous episode, and happily I succeeded to find what I was looking for. Yeah, okay. Oh, what's this? I don't need a... What does the remote do? Come on. Oh. Also, I may need to charge my phone because I'm worried it's about to run out of battery at any moment, but no matter. Okay, so, why can I, okay, I'm going to have to drop these here, and, okay, oh, okay. Looks like a Doom level. So, yeah, indeed, it looks like a level from the game Doom. Holy moly. Okay. Oh! I found a weapon key. Now, he did... No, Outdoor Gaming did say that there's a weapon key somewhere, and I can't... Oh. I'll be with that later. What's this? Oh! Weapon key! Oh! Oh, I see. Yeah. That's, oh. Boy. Yeah. Stop rolling away. Oh, good. Whoa! Fuck! Mind if I kill you with a tranquil... Why is it... No. Stop! What's it? Where do I kill... Where's the rat? Where is it? Where is the rat? Ratty! Where is the rat? Pretty sure. Oh fuck. Oh, you. Okay, right. Kill you. What? I thought you'd die. I thought you'd die. Where are you? Where are you? I wanna kill you. How do I kill the rat? You didn't tell me that there's a rat in this game. First granny, now a rat? Are you kidding me? What are the other things besides granny that can kill me? Oh boy. Oh shit. Where's the rat? I want to kill it. Also, why is it? What? Where is it? Did it disappear? Oh god, it's a teleporting rat. The worst kind of rat. Okay. No. Where the hell do I go? Holy shit! Why do you keep killing me? Quit it. Oh. Running away, eh? Running away? You can't run away from me that easily, because I'm going to kill you. I'm a monster here! You can't escape me! I will kill you, and then I shall be the monster. The only monster in this universe. Time to kill. Why is this rat still living? I want to kill this thing. Also, I'm supposed to be looking for things, so don't distract me. Go away, rat. Go away, Mr. Rat Person. Oh, wait, what? What? Right, where is the ratty? Where is the rat? Granny, you got a pest control problem here. Got a pest control problem. Oh, you die. How about you die? I can't pick. Damn it, I can't pick you up. Damn it. Fuck. I can't pick you up now. Wait a minute, I just remembered, yeah. I just remembered. Well, I don't need a shotgun anymore. Rats are perfectly designed to nibble your toes. Nibble your buttocks instantly. Well, let me just, oh! Hi! You! It's you again. You again. Whoa! Okay, I didn't mean to piss you off. Yeah, imagine owning a pet rat. I think Faulty Towers tried that and it did not work very well. Yes. Oh no, this is not a rat. It is a hamster. It is a pedigree Siberian hamster. Oh, you can deal with plenty of pedigree Siberian hamsters at home in Barcelona. No, it's just I fucking love Faulty Towers. Where's the rat? Where is? Hang on, wait a minute. What am I talking about? I'm supposed to be looking for things. What do you mean I need to get closer? Oh, right. Okay. And oh, okay. Oh, wait. Hang on. Whoa, wait a minute. Where do I need to get closer to? Where do I need to get closer to? Where is it? You again! Oh, that rat really hates me. Thank God it's just only. Oh, what the? Thank God it's only biting my fingers and toes. Right. And. Oh, hi. Nothing here. Yay. Oh, hang on. How do I get? What do you mean? What do you mean get closer? Wait, what? Oh, hang on. Okay, so what do I do with a screwdriver? Okay. Okay. What? Fuck! No! Oh, boo! I pressed the button and it reset the game. Yeah, I know. It reset the game. It reset the game. Why did it reset the game? Ah, I'm an idiot. I need to find the weapon key again. You did this to me! Wait a minute. Hang on! Right, go away. I will beat you with this. Whatever this is. Oh yeah, no, this is the, oh god. Oh, wait a minute. No. No. I found the weapon key somewhere. I can't remember where I put it. Oh, and also, right. Oh, wait a minute. What am I looking for? I have to avoid the rat so he doesn't nibble my fingers and toes. Wait a minute. What am I talking about, fingers and toes? Just making sure, I don't want the rat eating all my tentacles. Yeah. What am I talking about? Fingers and toes are for humans. I'm talking about tentacles. I don't want the rat nibbling my tentacles. Because if you remember, I'm a squid. I'm kind of a mutated squid designed to exterminate all life. Oh! Here we are. And I don't know why I accidentally pressed the wrong button. Whoa, what's this? Oh, shit. Gasoline. Oh, wait. Oh, boy. What? Why rats? Why? Rats do not like me. Apparently most people like rats. The problem is not many rats like me. Maybe it's because they know I'm a vindictive serial killer slash vile dictator that is designed to exterminate all life in the galaxy. And let me just drop this. Now where do I go? I don't know where to go, but all I care. I wonder if I'm what did the... Wait a minute. Just remembered, yeah, birdseed. Right, okay. Whoa, what was that? Okay. No. I thought that was a, thought that was something significant. Oh, no, I went into the wrong thing. I remember the secret, thing where the ball sack is... Oh, cool, a shotgun piece, good. I need to, well... Okay, time to feed the bird. What's this do? Okay. Oh. Yeah. I think the rat must be mad because I stole all its cheese. Must be really cheesed off, might I say, in a pun-like manner. Let me just drop this. Cute. What do I... Oh, wait a minute, what? Oh, hang on. I can't even... This is a cheesy situation. So if I make it through the last curdle, you get my joke? Therefore I'll exterminate you. Okay. Okay, cool. I found a something is missing here. Yes, I know. Looks like I need more cogs then. So I may require more cogs. Yeah. Now I also need it's definitely not in there. The weapon key is not in there. The weapon key isn't in there, but wait a minute. Where did I... Wait a minute. Maybe the winch handle, maybe that's somewhere interesting. Come on. Jump, get in. Oh. Instead of Granny, you got a terrifying rat, apparently. Woohoo! So we got another cog. Good. Let me just crouch down. What's this supposed to do? I got a master key. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, no, no. Does that mean I can get out of here? That means you can't open the door yet. Right, what does the master key do? Okay. What does it do? Right. So, you mean, is this the key? Is this the key? Right, okay. This is the key. Oh yes. Now I need pliers. I remember pliers. It was. Wait a minute. It wasn't in there. It was not in there. It was. No. What's the master key do? I wanna give it. I wanna get the crossbow, but I can't because. Wait. Wait. Why am I in here? Oh, there goes the rat again. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm startling you, Mr. Rat person. Yeah, shut up. What does the master key do? Is it a get out of jail free card? Can it make me go home? Well, that does jack shit. That doesn't do anything. Okay, am I trying to find the blacksmith? Yeah. I'm just a key maniac. I'm just stomp through the house with a key in front of me. Where's the blacksmith? Yeah, they're like, why do you want to know the blacksmith is? We don't have a blacksmith. Where's the blacksmith? Where's the blacksmith? I got a key. I need a blacksmith. Yeah. Why? Why does he want to know where it is? Why does he want to know where the blacksmith is? Where's the blacksmith? Where's the blacksmith? I got a key. I need a blacksmith. I want blacksmith. Give me a blacksmith. Where's the blacksmith? I don't know why the thought, you know, the "Where's the blacksmith?" is kind of funny. I don't know why it's funny. It's just so hilarious to watch Markiplier just wander through the woods with a key and yelling, "Where's the blacksmith?" Yeah. Alright. This just in. I can't find anything. Right, okay. What do I do with the master key? I've just been wandering around with a key in front of me. I've no idea how to play. Wait a minute. I need a remote control. I need the cutting pliers. A padlock key. Padlock code. Need a hammer. Okay. Damn it. I can't find it. Well, I've been. Wait a minute. That's a safe key. This key doesn't work. Master key. My ass. Anyway, it doesn't look like I'm able to. Yeah, it doesn't look like I'm able to get out of the house easily, so anyway, people of Earth, if this game is random, then I don't know how. Oh yeah. Then I'll see you all in the next video. Then I don't know if I'm going to continue playing this because it's totally random and I have no idea how to do it. So, see you in the next video then. Goodbye. Thanks all for the enjoyable video. Don't forget to click below to subscribe to the official Dalek Supreme YouTube channel, or you will be